Hi everyone, it's Jenny here from TexAu. Today I'll guide you on how to use Google Sheets in workflows. We'll create a sample workflow consisting of scraping profile and auto-connect automations. Let's get started. First off, we'd like to name our workflow. I will choose test 1. Then adding Google Sheets automation. First, we'll add Google Sheets automation. From the top right corner, select Integration, then Google Sheets, and choose Sheet Input. To start configuring the Sheet Input node, double-click on it. Select your Google account, and then choose the spreadsheet and the specific sheet you want to use for your input. A very important step in formatting your Google Sheet is to ensure that each column has a header. Here is the spreadsheet that I am using. This allows you to map each column directly to the specific automation fields. As you can see here, I have 2 columns and each one of them has a header. In my case, it's p-URLs and search. So I select the spreadsheet that I want to use. I select the sheet. If my file has more than one sheet, I could select sheet 1, sheet 2, etc. In this case, it has just one sheet. In case you haven't set up your Google account yet, you can connect it right up here from the Sheet Input node. So what you want to do is you want to click on Sign in with Google, and then you will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. So once you proceed with that, your profile will be connected and your account will be ready to use. One thing that I would like to explain here is that here you also have the loop option. This allows you to run the automation continuously after your entire Google Sheet is processed. Once the last row is processed, the loop mode will restart the automation and it will run continuously. Once we are all set with the first node, we will have to configure the second node of our automation. That will be the LinkedIn scrape profile. Choose LinkedIn. I choose LinkedIn scrape profile. So what we need to have in mind here is we would need to map the profile URLs with the respective Google Sheet headers. So depending on the header that we have in the sheet, we will have those populated here. In this case, it's p-URLs, so I select that. And that will ensure that those URLs from my spreadsheet are correctly mapped into that automation. And then setting up the LinkedIn Auto Connect node. So here we need to, again, we need to map the fields. This node will use the URLs from your Google Sheet to auto-connect with LinkedIn profiles. So we select the profile URL here. And we're all done. We can also add a message, which is optional if we want to add a message when we connect with someone. One thing I would like to mention here as well is understanding your automation limits in workflows. In workflows, where you have more than one automation, it is important to remember that the lowest automation limit applies. For example, if your sheet contains 100 rows, but your scrape profile automation limit is 10 and your AutoConnect automation limit is 20, the lowest limit, which is 10, will apply automatically. This is designed for convenience and productivity, as applying the highest limit for each automation would result in lengthy processing times and would reduce your productivity. And that's it. Using Google Sheets in workflows with TexAu is a powerful way to automate and streamline your tasks. Explore these options and see how they can enhance your workflows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.